Get to the bubble. Get to the bubble. Over here. 3. Okay, get away. Okay, this one. I'll take it. I'll take it. You guys take care of the other one if you can. Okay, I'm gonna pop. You ready? Get up front. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna block. I'm gonna block. Damage, damage.
Guardian down.
Self-res then. Minotaurs. Got it. He's dead. Okay, we've got... What is that hidden left? Got it, got it. Okay, get in position in front of him. If you can pop your bubble right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, popping. There you go, you're free! You're free, my children. Gonna protect you. 3, 2, 1, get out, get out, get out. Get back, get back. Got it. I'm gonna take this one as well. Okay, is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Got you. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Yeah, teleport. He's teleported back. Yeah, got it. Hit him. Going, I'm going, I got it. Okay, okay, do you have your bubble? Okay, okay, 3. Is everybody ready? Get up here, now. 3, 2, 1, pop. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1, get out, get out, get out. Teleport to the next one. I'm gonna... Meg, do you have that? That one up there. Okay. Oh shit. Oh damn.
Guardian down.
It's alright. Okay, so everybody get in position. Yeah, okay, pop, pop, right there, right there. Right here. Okay, it's fine. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Popping. I got you, got you. I'm gonna go for oracles if I see any. Nice. I'm gonna take it, don't worry. Got it. Nice. Okay, is everybody ready? Gather round, gather round. 3, 2, 1. Going up front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Yeah. Gonna get it. Yeah, we got this. Don't worry. Where's the other one? Going. Got it. Okay. Oh, we're marked. Meet mid, meet mid, meet mid.
Guardian down.
Okay, we're 2 guys left. We can do it. I got this one. Where's the other? Let's get it marked.
Guardian down.
Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna do it. Oh god. It's fine. Is he still up there? Clutch! Oh. Whew. That was a cluster. They sadly do not drop from the Templar. Yeah. Anything in the Vault of Glass and Crow Descent will not drop you any exotics. But he don't. Yeah. Not a fun one. Yeah. Exotic chest. Whoa, ha, ha, ha. Yeah, same. It's up here. You're all the way down.
Guardian down.
They did. Yeah, of course. Respawn. They can jump up again. Your Lord and Savior is on his way. Nope. Nope. Yeah, nope. Okay, let's try this again. Nope. Okay. Maybe this little rock. This way, dear friend. Yeah, it has closed. Yep, the door closed. Yeah. Yeah, it happens when you die, I think. I actually think that's why it closed. Do you want to take on a Gorgon with a shotgun? Okay, let's do it. Now, go. Need help? Nice. Rape. Okay, let's all gather. Let's all gather
Guardian
before we
down.
go. Okay. No, it won't really help that much. Okay, nice. Okay, okay. Be wary of double jump. Okay, okay. Ice. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Shh. Need to be where. Quiet, quiet, quiet. It is right under you. Ice, god damn it. It's coming towards you, Mike. Get up there. Okay. Go Ice, you're in the clear. Kill it, kill it. Ice, behind you. Ooh. Let's go, babies. Let's get through this right now. Okay, Mac, where are you at? Mac, no. No! Never leave a man behind. I'm gonna wait for you, Mac. I gotcha. I don't leave anybody behind. You've got a Gorgon coming towards you, watch out. It's coming towards me again. You can go, it's fine. Tell you if it turns around. Go, 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 go. Yeah, you're going. Okay, get. Go, go, go. Nobody's here. Oh, that one is. Shoot. Please don't. Please don't. Go, Mac. Go, go, go. Oh, you're going. Okay, okay, we got this, Mike. You and I. Okay, wait, wait, wait. We need to stay here. Damn you and your invisibility. Okay, go. Or not. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay, okay, whoa, 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 get back, get back, get back. It's looking straight at us. Please go away. Yeah, yeah. And that one is looking... Okay, no, 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 no. I feel a bit on edge. I don't like this, not one bit. There's one right under us. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, run. Nice. Ah! This isn't Destiny, the parkour experience. This is Destiny. The ledge jumping experience. The things where things. The things where some things disappear. Oh, you want to take the easy way, Mac, or do you just want to take the normal way? This way. Through the... Come back! Baby, come back! Through the tunnel. I have the high five emote. The high five emote. Yeah. Of course. Okay, jump down. You need to jump now. And this one over here. Yada yada yada.
Guardian down.
No, Mac. Okay. And I'm here.
Guardian down.
Come at me, bruh. Come on, hit pay. Suck that nade. Yes, you do. Too soon. Okay, we just cleared.